Welcome to the National Weather Service Detroit Pontiac segment on impact-based warnings. The purpose of impact-based warnings is to simplify the warning product, making it much more user-friendly for the public, media, and emergency managers. It is intended to motivate and expedite the proper response to warnings by distinguishing the situational urgency. Unlike the previous warning format, which was issued in a paragraph form, the impact-based warning is bulleted. This format makes it easier to find the information that is most critical to the user. The intended end result of impact-based warnings is less warning complacency and less loss of life and property. In this example, we see that we have a tornado warning in effect. This line will also tell us the county in which the tornado warning will affect and the duration of the warning, which in this case is until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. In the middle section, we will see that the main hazard is a deadly tornado. The source for this tornado is a spotter confirmed the tornado. The impact section gives details on the threat. In the bottom section, where the tags are listed, we will see that a tornado has been observed and that the damage threat is expected to be catastrophic. Hail is also mentioned as a threat, with hail up to 2.5 inches in diameter anticipated. This next slide shows an impact-based warning for a severe thunderstorm. This line also shows where it was located, how it's moving, and the speed at which it's moving. The main hazard in the severe thunderstorm is golf ball size hail. The source is it was observed by a trained weather spotter, and the impact is damage to vehicles, roofs, and windows. If you drop down to the tag area, you will see that a tornado is possible. However, as identified above, the main threat in this warning is golf ball sized hail. The hail size is indicated in the tag section to be 1 3/4 inch. Wind is also a threat in this warning, with gusts to 50 miles per hour or greater. The final slide in our presentation is designed to further help the user understand tornado tags and when they are used. Essentially, there are 4 main tags used in impact-based warnings. 2 that define how the threat was identified. It was either radar indicated or observed. And 2 damage threat tags, either considerable or catastrophic. Both the considerable and catastrophic tags are rarely used, with the catastrophic tag being extremely rare. When the considerable tag is attached to a tornado warning, it means that there is credible evidence that a tornado capable of producing considerable damage is imminent or ongoing, and tornado duration is generally expected to be long-lived. Considerable damage means that mobile homes would be completely destroyed. Well-constructed homes would have roofs completely blown off and foundations could be shifted. Large healthy trees will snap or be uprooted, and vehicles can be lifted up off the ground. For the catastrophic tag to be attached, that is used when there is a severe threat to human life and catastrophic damage is occurring. A reliable source has confirmed a violent tornado on the ground, and the tornado is again expected to be long-lived. Catastrophic damage means that severe damage is expected. Well-constructed homes could be completely destroyed, trains overturned, and heavy vehicles lifted up off the ground and thrown into the air. Sometimes no tag is attached to a warning. This happens when tornado damage is possible. However, it's typically a weaker tornado and it will be short-lived. During a severe thunderstorm, the warning may carry a tornado tag of possible. This means that the thunderstorm has some potential to generate a tornado. However, confidence is not high enough at this time for a tornado warning to be issued. This concludes the segment on impact-based warnings. Thank you so much for listening.